Tyree Sneed.
5150 KUMG Radio presents Translation, the show that tells you what Tyree Sneed is really saying. And now, here's your host, Rich Baritone. Thank you, everybody. I am Rich Baritone, and welcome back to Translation right here on 5150 KUMG Radio. We are the show that tells you what Tyree Sneed is really saying, and to do that, this week, we're going to take a description from a stream that is live right now as I record this, and we're going to put it into Google Translate it into another language, then back into English, and then we're going to do it 2 more times because I'm not doing anything else. So now it's time to meet our first lovely vivacious language here on Translation. Would you all please welcome Luxembourgish to the show? Luxembourgish, very nice to have you back. If you will join me over at Google Translate, it's now time to hear our phrase of the day right here on 5150 KUNZ. This week, we are dealing with a description box comment from Tyree Sneed, again from a stream that is live as I record this. This is really kind of nuts, but then again, when isn't it really kind of nuts, huh, kids? So with no further delay, here is the phrase of the day, right here on Translation. Your mental illness is not my fault or problem. You are not entitled to take from me or hurt me, and all taken will be returned plus interest, or you will be forced to. We are not asking. These are the angels that protect Tyree Sneed, speaking, play with us if you like. This non-punctuated stuff really isn't working out too well for me. Shall I try that again? All right, here we go. Take 2. Your mental illness is not my fault or problem. You are not entitled to take from me or hurt me, and all taken will be returned plus interest, or you will be forced to. We are not asking. These are the angels that protect Tyree Sneed. Speaking, play with us if you like. I'm just not even going to read that again. So, Luxembourgish, if you're ready, here we go to Google Translate. On its way from Luxembourgish to English and back again. As always, it works. Thank you so much, Luxembourgish. This one looks really good. So after one translation here on Translation, this is what I got for you. Your mental disease is not my fault or problem. You do not have to take the advice from me, or missing and wanting to return everyone plus interest, or you will also be forced. We don't ask that they don't. Thank you so very much, Luxembourgish. It's time to meet our next beautiful language. Ladies and gentlemen, will you please welcome Mongolian to the show? All right, Mongolian, it's your turn. In it goes to Google Translate. The first translation. And back to English. And there it is. From English to Mongolian and back again, right here on Translation. Thank you so much, Mongolian. And after 2 translations here on Translation, this is what I got for you. Your mental illness is not my complete or problem. You don't need advice from me, or you don't need back everything to study. making even less sense with every translation. Time to bring in the closer, and this week Latin couldn't make it, so we asked Punjabi to do the job. Come on up, Punjabi. All right, if you're ready, it's time to translate the second translation and finish this thing up. Here we go. From English to Punjabi. And back again, and we have done it again here on Translation. Thank you very much, Punjabi. This looks like a really good job. So after 3 translations here on Translation, this is how the story ends. Your mental illness is not my whole or problem. You don't need my advice, or you don't have to return everything to study. That's all we have for you this week on Translation. I am Rich Baritone, and until the next time, sorry for the brain damage. This has been Translation on 5150 KUNT Radio. Stay tuned for Crying Wolf with Jenny right here on
KUNT.